I talked about this in the cleaning and oiling video I made of this air conditioner, but I think it's interesting, so I want to make a dedicated video. This air conditioner's thermostat does something that my other Fetters units don't do. Take a look at this Fetters over here. You can see the thermostat is on its coldest setting right now. You can go all the way up and then all the way back down, but it doesn't go past that. And that's true for pretty much all the Fetters that I have, except for this 10,000 BTU. You can see it goes from 1 to 8, which is the coldest setting. It stops there, but you can turn it beyond that. You can hear it click, and then it goes beyond that and stops right there. So it has a thermostat bypass, which is very interesting. I don't know if it's supposed to, or what the deal is, but that's what it has. And the only other air conditioner I have with a thermostat bypass is this 5500 BTU Sharp air conditioner from the 1980s. You can see this thermostat has a sorry, the lighting kind of sucks, but it says quick cool right there. Basically, there's the warmest setting, and then it stops right there at the coldest setting. And if you want to bypass the thermostat, you can turn it. So I think it's very interesting that this Fetters has that when none of the other Fetters units that I have do that. So I'll start it up and I'll show you how it bypasses it. Alright, got some more light over here. Let's turn the thermostat to its coldest setting, which is 8, and try and start it. The compressor's probably not going to start. Nope, no compressor. So now I will go beyond its coldest setting, and the compressor will start. So there you go, this one has a thermostat bypass, which I think is very interesting because, like I said, none of the other ones do. And right now, I set it back to 8. It's actually staying on. If I turn it any more, it turns back off. So I just turned it back to 8. Now it's not attempting to restart. But if I do this, it restarts. So very interesting. So if anyone has any feedback on that, if any of you have a Fetters unit that does that, let me know, because I'd be very interested. So before I got that one, the only unit that I had that does that is that Sharp right there. So